Hi, I'm Andy.
My name is Cheng Yuan.
We're two MIT seniors. We are here to showcase this email client project that we
Yeah,
just did.
yeah, it is called MISO, which stands for mail sorter.
Right. So this comes from a problem that I face. Basically, I have a lot of emails that I don't really check, and I was wondering if a machine learning algorithm could learn what emails I'm interested in and what emails I'm not interested in, and just hide those that I'm not interested in.
Yeah, so basically we have email services that like Gmail or Outlook, which employs a similar machine learning algorithm to classify whether an email is junk email or not. But to our knowledge, first, they're not very personalized. And second, they're not very good at predicting if you're actually interested in an email or not. So I think it's a very conservative estimate. So for that reason, we wanted to make our own attempt and try to fill the gap.
Right. Let's talk about the app. So for the onboarding process, we first ask you to swipe left or swipe right on a series of emails to calibrate the algorithm. For example, this email is from my advisor. I definitely want to see this, so I click I want to see this. Email is funny. I want to see this. Yeah, series of funny. Now, this email I don't actually care about. I probably should have unsubscribed from this a long time ago, but people are lazy. So don't want to see this. So after you wait enough samples, our machine learning algorithm can start predicting. For example, it has learned from my past preference that I really do like Pope's opinions on hot dogs, so it thinks I probably want to see this. And it has learned that I probably want to see Amazon updates.
Yeah, so these predictions are generated with embedding-based vector database. It's a relatively simple algorithm because we're just prototyping this. But I think overall we are very pleasantly surprised by how well it's learning our preferences over time.
Right. Now let's look at the inbox view. Emails are divided into three different buckets. There's time sensitive, not sensitive, and hidden. When an email is hidden, it's basically means that our algorithm thinks you are probably not interested in the content of the email. It's the interest rate is below a certain threshold. In our case, we set it to be 30%. And time sensitive means that you want to check this email within, say, 24 hours or take it. And not sensitive means that it's okay if you check it, say, at the end of the day or every 2 or 3 days. The time sensitivity is detected using our LLM, and this interest rate is generated by our embedding algorithm. And this inbox is heavily inspired by Superhuman. It has all the Superhuman shortcuts, say J and K, and you can also classify emails by your interest. Say, for example, if I'm not interested in this lecture, then I can just type Q and say I'm not interested in that email. And you can also go into a more detailed view into certain emails. Our plan was to make this into a full-fledged email client, but on our way we discovered that's very hard to do. A lot of features we need to add, so this is more of a proof of concept.
Yes, but and as you see, because it's mostly a hackathon style, prototypical app, there are very rough edges here and there. For example, in the inbox view, mails are not currently laid out in chronological order. And as you can see, like in the email view, like some of the spacing is a little bit weird. But I think overall, like the core functionality all works, and the learning algorithm is working as we expected. So overall, we really enjoyed developing this app in the past 2 days.